chord to divide it into two parts such that the parts are as specified. All angles on one part 80 degree. Second, all angles on one part 110 degree. Third, all angles on one part half of all angles on the other. Fourth, all angles on one part 1.5 times the angles on the other. We have to draw a circle and a chord in such a way that all angles on one part is 80 degree. Let us draw a circle at first. Now make 160 degree angle at the center. Join AB. Since angle AOB equal to 160 degree, all angles on the large arc AB is 80 degree. Here all angles on one part should be 110 degree. Then all angles on the other part is 70 degree. So let us draw a circle and make 140 degree at the center. Join A and B to get the chord AB. Since angle AOB is 140 degree, all angles on the large arc AB is 70 degree and therefore all angles on the small arc AB is 110 degree. Third part, all angles on one part, half of all angles on the other. Here, all angles on one part should be half of all angles on the other. Let angle on one part be x degree. Then angle on the other part or angle on the alternate arc is x by 2 degree. We know sum of the angles on one arc and on its alternate arc is 180 degree. Therefore, x plus x by 2 equal to 180 degree. X plus x by 2 equal to 3x by 2. Therefore, this can be written as 3x by 2 equal to 180 degree. Now, 3x by 2 means 3 by 2 into x. Therefore, to find x, 180 should be divided by 3 by 2. And division by 3 by 2 equal to multiplication by the reciprocal. Therefore, we can say x equal to 180 into 2 by 3. Now we can simplify. 1 3 is 3 and 63s are 180. 60 into 2 is 120. Therefore, the value of x is 120. Then the angle on the other part or angle on the alternate arc is 60 degree. Therefore, we have to take the angles as 120 degree and 60 degree. Then the central angles are 240 degree and 120 degree. Therefore, we can draw a circle and we can take 120 degree at the center and make an angle. Then the other central angle will be 240 degree. Draw a circle and make an angle of 120 degree at the center. Now join AB. Since angle AOB equal to 120 degree, all angles on the large arc is 60 degree. Therefore, all angles on the small arc AB is 120 degree. Fourth part, all angles on one part 1.5 times the angles on the other. Let angle on one part be x degree. Then angle on the other part or angle on the alternate arc is 1.5 times x. We know sum of the angles on an arc and on its alternate arc is 180 degree. Therefore, x plus 1 and half x equal to 180 degree. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore, 1 and half x is equal to 3x by 2. So, this can be written as x plus 3x by 2 equal to 180. 2 into x is 2x. 2x plus 3x is 5x. Therefore, adding we can write 5x by 2 equal to 180. 5x by 2 is 5 by 2 into x. Therefore, x equal to 180 divided by 5 by 2 or 180 into 2 by 5. 1 5 is 5. 36 5s are 180. 36 into 2 is 72. Therefore, the value of x is 72. Then angle on the alternate arc or angle on the other part is 1 and half into 72. That means 72 plus half of 72. Half of 72 is 36. 72 plus 36 is 108 degree. Then the angles are 72 degree and 108 degree. Therefore, the central angles will be 144 degree and 216 degree. So, let us draw a circle and take an angle of 144 degree at the center. Draw a circle and make an angle of 144 degree at the center. Join AB. Since angle AOB is 144 degree, all angles on the large arc AB is 72 degree, and therefore all angles on the small arc AB is 108 degree.